Unlock the secrets to skyrocketing your YouTube automation business in 2024. Transform your strategy, boost efficiency, and dominate the digital space. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your YouTube automation business to the next level in 2024, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the essential tips and strategies that will help you to scale your operations, increase your efficiency, and maximize your impact. Whether you're just starting out or aiming to refine your existing setup, these insights will provide the roadmap you need for success. So grab a notebook and get ready to supercharge your YouTube automation game. Scaling your YouTube automation business in 2024 involves a combination of strategic planning, technological advancements, and efficient operational practices. As the digital landscape evolves, leveraging these elements effectively can set you apart and help you achieve significant growth. Here's a deep dive into the key aspects to consider. Embrace advanced analytics and AI. In 2024, leveraging advanced analytics tool is essential for gaining a deep understanding of audience behavior and video performance. Platforms such as YouTube Analytics, Google Analytics, and various third-party tools offer valuable insights into viewer demographics, watching habits, and engagement metrics. By thoroughly analyzing this data, you can refine your content strategy to better align with audience preferences and boost retention rates. Additionally, utilizing AI-powered tools can significantly enhance your workflow. For instance, AI can assist you with script writing through tools like ChatGPT and streamline video editing with automated software, ensuring consistent quality and efficiency. Furthermore, AI algorithms can optimize SEO strategies and improve video discoverability, making it easier to reach and engage with your target audience. Optimize your content creation process. To scale your content production efficiently, it's crucial to standardize your workflow. Begin by establishing a detailed content calendar that outlines your publishing schedule and thematic plans. Develop templates for video structure to streamline the creation process, and automate repetitive tasks such as thumbnail generation and video formatting using software tools. This approach will help ensure a consistent look and feel across all your content, while significantly reducing the time and effort required for each video. Additionally, as your channel grows, investing in high-quality recording and editing equipment becomes essential. Upgrading to professional-grade cameras, microphones, and lighting can greatly enhance the audio and video quality of your content, which will in turn improve viewer engagement and retention. High-quality production values not only make your videos more appealing, but also contribute to a more professional and polished brand image. Enhance automation tools. To streamline your content management, utilize tools that automate video uploads and scheduling. Platforms such as TubeBuddy and Hootsuite can efficiently handle your content calendar, ensuring that your videos are released on time and consistently engaging your audience. This automation helps maintain a steady flow of content and optimizes viewer interaction. Additionally, implementing broader workflow automation can significantly enhance efficiency. Use automation software to handle repetitive tasks like social media promotion, comment moderation, and performance tracking. By automating these processes, you can allocate more time to strategic planning and creative development, which are crucial for long-term growth. To broaden your channel's reach, consider strategic partnerships. Collaborating with influencers and other content creators can introduce your channel to newer audiences and foster mutual growth. Seek out partnerships that align with your brand values and content style for the most effective results. Focus on community building. Building a strong community around your channel is vital for fostering loyalty and encouraging long-term growth. Engage deeply with your audience by actively responding to the comments on your videos, hosting interactive live question and answer sessions, and creating content based on viewer suggestion and feedback. This direct interaction helps establish a personal connection with your audience, making them feel appreciated and involved in the content creation process. When viewers feel a personal connection, they are more likely to become passionate advocates for your channel, sharing your content and recommending it to others. Moreover, offering exclusive content can significantly enhance viewer loyalty and provide additional revenue streams. Consider implementing membership programs or using platforms like Patreon to provide special perks to your most dedicated supporters. Exclusive benefits might include early access to new videos, special behind-the-scenes content, members-only live streams, or unique downloadable resources. These incentives not only reward your most loyal viewers, but also create a sense of exclusivity and belonging. This approach not only adds substantial value for your most engaged followers, but also helps generate a steady revenue stream. The additional financial support can be reinvested into improving your channel's production quality and expanding your content offerings, further enhancing both viewer satisfaction and channel growth. Adapt to changing algorithms and trends. Staying current with changes to the YouTube's algorithm is crucial for maintaining and growing your channel's visibility. YouTube's algorithm is continuously evolving, and understanding these updates allows you to adjust your strategies effectively. Regularly review changes to the platform's ranking factors and optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to align with the latest SEO best practices. This proactive approach helps ensure that your content remains discoverable and competitive in search results and recommendations. Emerging trends like short-form videos, interactive content, and new features offers opportunities to engage with viewers in innovative ways. By adapting to these trends and incorporating new formats into your content strategy, you can capture the interest of new audiences and maintain a fresh, dynamic presence on the platform. Staying informed and agile in your content approach allows you to leverage the latest tools and trends, ensuring that your channel remains engaging and competitive. Manage scaling challenges. As your channel experiences growth, effectively managing the increased workload becomes essential. To maintain both quality and efficiency, consider expanding your team or outsourcing key tasks such as video editing, social media management, and content research. Delegating these responsibilities allows you to focus on strategic and creative aspects of your channel, while ensuring that the day-to-day operations are handled professionally. Furthermore, it's crucial to uphold stringent quality control as you scale. Growth should not compromise the caliber of your content. Establish robust quality control measures to ensure that each piece of content consistently meets your high standards. Regularly view your production processes and workflows and make necessary adjustments to enhance efficiency and maintain excellence. This might include setting up a review system for video drafts, conducting periodic audits of your content, and investing in training or resources for your team. By prioritizing quality control, you ensure that your expanding content remains engaging and valuable to your audiences, preserving the integrity of your brand as you grow. Scaling your YouTube automation business in 2024 requires a strategic approach that integrates advanced technologies, efficient workflows, and community engagement. By embracing these practices, you can navigate the complexities of growth and position your channel for long-term success. Stay adaptable, focus on delivering value, and leverage the latest tools to maximize your potential in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Thanks for tuning into today's video. We hope that you found these tips and insights helpful for taking your YouTube channel to the next level. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates and valuable information. Stay tuned for the next video, and until then, keep creating and stay inspired.